So this is me for a demolition match, Black Ops. This is really a high score and really a nice match. Enjoy. As you're gonna play, it's actually kinda sick. Just watch. FAMAS is the best weapon, of course, everybody knows that. But still, from a suppressed gold, don't have gold yet. Look really close how I do it, because it's a really good trick. My teammates are elsewhere, I'm playing alone. As you can see, they're all on the spawn, I'm on their spawn. That's the trick. Then don't even notice. You have to play a long time to get that. Also have a high KD ratio, so it's not a problem. That's the napalm, and look at this. This is brilliant. They're all standing there. The last one. Oh, what's that? Yeah, that's a chopper gunner. Key. This is really funny. So I forgot that I can't shoot with that rocket launcher. That's a lot. No, you are not shooting me down. Look at it, I'm spawn killing them with the chopper gunner. They're all spawning there, and then to the right. There they are. They're all gone. I got like 20 kills with it. And they're still spawning there, still want to shoot me out of the sky, still can't. And again. Hey, it's my napalm strike. For real, is echt the best. FAMAS suppressor, go for it. And my teammates have dogs. Really funny. This guy throwing a care package. Didn't know that I was there.